Hi guys, it's Tony with Alliance Specialties in Laser Sales, and today I'm here with Jesse Garcia from Duro-Chrome, who's one of our partner companies. And I thought we would do a Motivational Mondays together. And today's is simple. It's just the secret to getting ahead is getting started. I think this is true in all sense. If you want to be the best, you have to be the rookie.
Yeah, I agree. I guess depending on what ahead means, ahead being successful in life, accomplishing a goal. But yeah, if you don't take that initial step, go to that first class to go to college and get a degree, or order that first piece of steel to get the job accomplished down the road to make a sale, you got to take that first step and get yourself motivated and go. So
and even with getting a job. So if you're out there and you're trying to get into the manufacturing space and you don't know what to do, go see shops, get out, go shake hands, knock on doors, ask people if they're hiring. Chances are today in this industry, we're looking for people that want jobs. So if you want to get ahead, get started, get out of bed and get going.
take that first step.
Thanks, Jesse.
Hey.